That's what they do.
Hi.
Let me see.
Hi, my name is Bria. I am 7 years old. I am from Miss America.
New Jersey. She is your 2014 Miss New Jersey Princess. And my name is Celinda Ortega. I am your All-American Miss New Jersey 2014. And Bria and I are just so excited. This is our first walk. And we're just so happy to be contributing to the cause and to be surrounded by so many strong fighters. So we're really happy to be here, and everyone have a good walk. Thank you.